Team Junkyard Dog here today, and we are on a field trip. That's right, this is the second video that we're making with the legendary Grando. I also have a Rango, I get them confused sometimes. But this is for the legendary Grando. We're going to be comparing it side by side to a bone stock Grando, to the one that I just put the metal axles on and the better servo. And we're going to see how they compare at Dr. Dan's RC shop. I mean, check out this crawler course that they have down here in Titusville, Florida. You can crawl on this course all day long for $5. They let you drive as long as you want for $5, and you have this amazing crawler course. It is outside, of course, but as you can see, they do provide shade, they do provide fans, they have a full service shop inside that we're going to go in and take a look at as well. But first, we're going to do some crawling. We brought some little 24 scales as well, so we're going to also show you some footage from those. But now we're going to get into the testing with the 10 scale Grandos.
That's out of the car. Stuff mom packed.
Good old mom. We love you, mom. Get based off the servo. Steering.
You know what? Well, no, the servo is bad. But you either have a better gear ratio, you have like a pop.
I think the axles have a different ratio.
Yeah. Stock axle.
I gotta get used to steering.
Yeah. Battery thing to check the voltage of the battery. Because I have that one battery marked bad in there.
This will also give us a good benchmark for improving our vehicle.
Yeah.
Servo.
That's the line I took before? Or did I come up and over?
No, you came this way.
Okay.
You should put googly eyes on it.
Slap you for saying that.
Try googly eyes.
Something funky is going on.
I'm gonna flip the bridge.
Okay, so we have been at the RC shop at Dr. Dan's for a total of, I don't know, 20 minutes. I get out the 10 scale with the brand new metal axles, and guess what happens? Yep, snapped an axle, not even on a hard obstacle. So if you buy these metal axles, know that you're going to be buying these little outdrive or these little shafts very, very quickly. These are made for an SCX10. So they should bolt right in, but we're gonna find out. This is the old one, of course. And then we have the new one ready to go in. Luckily, I brought my tool bag, and we're just going to have to slide the axle in and bolt it all back up, and then get back on the trail. RC shop to the rescue.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes, baby. You think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby, I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread, and I know it make you wonder, don't you, don't you, don't you? Ooh, I ain't surprised at all. Seen them rise and fall. Went up the mountain, it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top, I found some relief. I finally got some peace. Carry on, but please don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I worked too hard for it. No, I need it, beat it, before you mess up the mood. Yeah, ooh, I worked too hard for it. I've been chasing down this dream for as long as I've known. Sometimes I get to thinking that my life might be wrong. I wonder what kind of man I'd be if I hadn't moved away from my hometown and my folks. Wonder what I feel like today. All this here thinking's enough to drive a man insane. But my mind has always been like the sky before the rain. It gets so twisted up sometimes that it's hard to catch your breath. If I keep doing this, I might think myself to death. Tried most every style around, looking for my thing. Couldn't decide how I wanted to sound, how I was gonna sing. I wasn't a punk or a hippie, I was somewhere in between. Now that I'm writing country songs, don't know if it's really me. All this here thinking's enough to drive a man insane. But my mind has always been just like the sky before the rain. Gets so twisted up sometimes that it's hard to catch your breath. If I keep doing this, I might think myself to death.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we much improved the little legendary Grando. The truck runs much better, it's much more capable, but as you also could see, the electronics totally suck. I could not go downhill without it just slipping and taking off. I had no control going down, only uphill. I like the flex on the chassis. The tires were gripping pretty well. We are going to upgrade rims and tires soon. We're also going to be putting in a brushless system. But if you're down in Titusville, make sure you come check out the RC shop at Dr. Dan's, and you're going to have a great time on this beautiful crawler course, and you can't beat the price. We're Team Junkyard Dog. We're out.